Guys, at the time when I arrived to Britain in 1989, and even later, in early 90s, ordinary Soviet people had no idea about computers. Well, I had to type my PhD thesis using my finger and thrusting it up and down into a typewriter. It was a nightmare for a dyslexic like me. One mistake and you had to redo your page times and times and times and times. I went hysterical, like a cat getting raped, or like a pig being fucked by David Cameron. So when I landed in this country, the first thing I did was to join a course in these mysterious magical boxes, computers. It felt like living inside a legend. But unfortunately, it turned out not that easy to use them, even for a person with PhD. Whenever I had a trouble, my tutor would say, "Look for the file." And then I looked. I looked inside the desk. I opened every drawer. I looked inside the binder, under the computer, and even in my handbag. Nothing. I thought the tutor was taking a mickey on me, that he just wanted to humiliate an old girl from the USSR. It never came to my mind that these plastic boxes had a freshly brains inside, better than mine. That was your funny art, mama, but it was not funny then, I can assure you guys.